discuss about the reciprocal lattice of simple cubic crystal system, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the reciprocal lattice of body centered cubic crystal system. For the calculation of reciprocal lattice of BCC, here we have three adjacent units here. Okay, so we know that in body centered cubic crystal system, the atoms are arranged at the corners as well as one atom or one lattice point present in the body diagonal. Okay, and for that we have here three axes, here three coordinate axes x, y and z. We have learned about the translation operator T, okay, in previous video. Okay, so what is meant by translation operator? To operate the or to translate the one object from one position to another position, we have to apply some operation on it. It is known as translation operator and it is denoted by T, and which is equal to N1A. We now write here T is equal to N1A plus N2B plus N3C, in which N1, N2 and N3 are the integers and A, B and C are the primitive translation, or we can say fundamental translation vector. Okay, in this we have this is the unit cell. For this unit cell we have primitive translation vector. Okay, and we will consider for the body centered cubic crystal system the primitive translation vector A dash, B dash and C dash for the calculation. Okay, so we will write here, let A dash, B dash and C dash are the primitive translation vector. Primitive translation vector. Vectors, and I, J and K are orthogonal unit vector. Orthogonal unit vectors along x, y and z axes respectively. Okay, so we will write the value for A dash, B dash and C dash, or we can say for the primitive translation vector. Then we will start from A dash vector. Okay, let us see in this diagram. If we know that A vector or a primitive translation vector, A is always along the x-axis, or we will consider along the x-axis. Here we have x-axis. So if we consider this origin point, origin lattice point, this is the origin of three adjacent unit cell, and if we want translate this object to this towards this body diagonal lattice point. Okay, so we will go or we will operate three types of translation along three axes. Okay, so we will go from x-axis, y-axis and z-axis to reach this point. Okay, from this point to this point. Okay, so along the x-axis we will travel only distance till this point, because we know that this is the edge of this unit cell. Okay, and which is denoted by A. Here we can see which is denoted by A. So we will travel only half of the distance of edge, or we can say A by 2. And after that we will also travel along y-axis. Here we can say along the y-axis, along positive direction or along positive y-axis. Okay, it is also half of the edge. This is also the, or this also the edge of unit cell, or we will only travel the half distance, and we also go from the negative z-axis to reach this point. So in this way we can write here for the first translation, primitive translation vector, the value is A by 2 I cap, because this is along x-axis. Second, A by 2 j cap, this is along y-axis, and this A vector is negative along z axis. Okay, so we will see, we can write here a by 2 k cap, or we can simply write here this is negative along z axis. Okay, for the simplicity. Similarly, we can write for b dash vector. Okay, this is the b dash and this is the c dash vector. Okay, if you want to translate this lattice point towards this lattice point, we will go from the positive y axis and also we will go from the positive z axis. Okay, till this point. That means also we will go from y axis half of the edge. That means a by 2 distance only we will travel the half distance of that edge. Okay, and after that we will travel along z axis, along positive z axis, also half distance of this. Similarly, we will write for the b dash vector. Okay, also here we can see, if we consider this lattice point and if we want translate this lattice point towards this body diagonal lattice point. Okay, we will go from the positive y axis and also for the along the positive z axis to reach this point in that way. Okay, sorry, in this way till this point. That means this is, we know that this is also edge of this cube, or we will travel only the half of the distance of edge. That means a by 2, and we will also travel along z axis, positive z axis. Also it is a by 2. That means this is the edge of unit cell, and we will travel only half of the distance of that edge. So similarly, but along x axis this is the negative, because we can't go from the along x axis to reach this point. Okay, so we will write negative for that. Okay, so a by 2, sorry, here along x axis it is negative, so minus a by 2 I cap plus a by 2 j cap plus a by 2 k cap. Okay, that means this is negative along x axis. Okay, and in this way we will write for the c dash vector. This is also positive along z axis and positive along x axis also, but this is only negative along y axis. So we can simply write here a by 2 I cap minus a by 2 j cap plus a by 2 k cap. We will write here this is negative along y axis. Okay, because to reach this point we have to travel negative along y axis. Okay, so this is all about the primitive translation vectors of BCC direct lattice. Okay, and we will consider for the reciprocal lattice vectors. Okay, for BCC we know that reciprocal lattice vectors are denoted by A star, B star and C star. We will see, we have seen it earlier. Okay, so we will write A star is equal to 2 pi B cross C. Here we consider B dash and C dash, so we will write B dash cross C dash divided by A dash dot B dash cross C dash. Okay, similarly we will write for the B star. Okay, 2 pi C cross A. Okay, simply we write, and this is A dash B dash cross C dash. Okay, and in this way similarly we can write for C star is equal to 2 pi A cross B, A dash cross B dash divided by A dash dot B dash cross C dash. We have seen in previous video in reciprocal lattice of simple cubic crystal system what is the magnitude or what is the reciprocal lattice vectors. Okay, so we will calculate one by one. For the calculation of this A star, B star and C star, we have to calculate some things before. Okay, that is B cross C and this is the volume, that is A dash dot B dash cross C dash. So we will calculate one by one. For the calculation of A star, we will calculate B cross C. Okay. The value of B dash cross C dash is equal to, here we will put, first we will put the values of that B dash and C dash. The value of B dash is minus A by 2 I cap plus A by 2 J cap plus A by 2 K cap. Okay. And value of, in this there is a cross product, and value of C dash vector is A by 2 I cap minus A by 2 J cap plus A by 2 K cap. Okay. For the simplicity, we will take common from this both bracket. In this bracket we take common A by 2, and in this bracket also we will take common as A by 2. Okay. So the both are A square by 4. Or simply we will write the unit vectors in bracket. Okay. That is minus I cap plus J cap plus K cap cross I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Okay. Take this term as it is and solve the brackets taking the cross product of unit vectors. Okay. I cap cross I cap, here minus I and minus J, that means minus minus will be plus I cap cross J cap minus I cap cross K cap. So next term is J cap cross I cap minus J cap cross J cap plus J cap cross K cap plus, for the K cap we will multiply by K cap to this bracket. Okay. So K cap cross I cap minus K cap cross J cap plus K cap cross K cap. Okay. And we will solve this bracket. A square divided by 4, as it is, this I cross I is 0. Also this is J cross J is 0 and K cross K is also 0. These three terms are 0. So 0 plus, we will write, what is I cross J? I cross J is K cap. This is a minus sign, and I cross K is, okay. Here we have I cross K is equal to minus J, and here we have minus sign also. So minus minus will be plus J cap. Okay. Next, J cross I. What is J cross I? Minus K. Here we will write minus K. And what is J cross J? It is 0. What is J cross K? J cross K is I cap plus, what is K cross I? K cross I is J cap. What is K cross J? K cross J is minus I. Here we have minus sign, so it will be plus I cap, and this is 0. Okay. So in this way we will calculate A square by 4. That means here we have minus K and plus K will cancel. So here we have 2I plus 2J simply, and if we take common these two outside of the bracket, then we will get 2 into I plus J. We will cancel these 2 to the 4. We will get A square divided by 2 into I plus J. This is the value of B cross C. Here we will write, for simplicity, B cross C is equal to A square divided by I cap plus J cap. Okay. We will calculate for this volume A dot into B cross C. So next we will calculate for the volume, that means A dash dot B cross C. Okay, we have calculated B cross C, so simply we will write the value of A dash, that is A by 2 I cap plus A by 2 J cap minus A by 2 K cap, and dot, what is B cross C? B cross C is A square by 2 I cap plus J cap. Okay, so also for the simplicity we will take the common A by 2 from this and from this. So we have here A cube by 2, because here we have A square by 2, so we will write A cube by 2. Okay, and in bracket simply we write the dot product of these two, I cap plus J cap minus K cap, and in second I cap plus J cap. Okay, so here A cube by 2, what is I dot I plus I dot J plus J dot I plus J dot J minus K dot I minus K dot J. Okay, we know that the dot product of same vector is 1, or we can say unity, or others are 0. So simply we have all terms will be 0. This term will be 0. This term will be 0. This is also will be 0. Only we have I dot I and J dot J. So here what is I dot I? I dot I is 1. Also J dot J is 1. So simply we have A cube by 2 into 2. Sorry, here we have A cube by 4. Sorry, A cube by 4. This is also A cube by 4, and we will get A cube by 2 into, okay, A cube by 2. This is the volume, value of volume, and we will calculate for the A star. Put this value B cross C and A dot B cross C in this equation. Okay, and we will get what is the value of A star? A star is equal to 2 pi B dash cross C dash divided by A dot into B dash cross C dash. 2 pi and B cross C is A square by 2 into I plus J, and divided by what is the volume? Volume is A cube by 2. If we calculate this, we will get 2 pi by A into I cap plus J cap. Simply this is the value of A star. Okay, so we have calculated the value for A star. Similarly, if we calculate the value of C cross C dash cross A dash and A dash cross B dash, and put this value in the B star and C star, we will get the value for, first we will write the value of A star is equal to 2 pi by A into I plus J. Okay. Similarly, if we calculate this value, B star will be equal to 2 pi by A into J plus K, and C star will be 2 pi by A into I plus, or we can say K plus I. Okay, this is the reciprocal lattice vector for the BCC, and if we draw this value, if we draw this the cube from this value A star, B star and C star, we will get the cube similar look like FCC cubic system. Okay, therefore we can say that on the reciprocal lattice vector, or we can say reciprocal lattice of BCC is FCC. Okay, that means the reciprocal lattice of body centered cubic is FCC. Okay, thank you for watching this video.